Meaning of Kelvin scale.
Kelvin scale.
Kelvin scale.
Kelvin scale.
Kelvin scale. The Kelvin scale is a temperature scale in which 0 Kelvin, written as 0 K, is defined as absolute zero, the theoretical point at which all molecular motion stops. It is named after the British physicist and engineer William Thomson, 1st Baron Kelvin, who proposed it in 1848. Unlike the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales, the Kelvin scale is an absolute scale, meaning it does not use negative temperatures. The Kelvin scale is used extensively in scientific and engineering applications, particularly in fields such as thermodynamics and astrophysics.